Welcome to this tutorial on importing your existing subscribers into WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate WordPress and use its built-in subscriber management tools to add your subscribers manually. We will start from the very beginning and work our way through each step clearly and concisely. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the page loads completely, locate the login option at the top right corner of the home page. This is where you will begin the process of accessing your account. After clicking on the login option, you will see several sign-in options. Instead of entering credentials manually, choose the option to continue with Google. This method simplifies the login process by using your existing Google account credentials. After selecting the Continue with Google option, you will be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. Select the appropriate account from the list that appears. If you are not already signed into any Google account, you may need to complete the Google sign-in page before proceeding. Once the account is selected, the next step will be to access the statistics section of your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to your statistics page by finding the stats section. In this area, you can review various insights about your WordPress site, such as traffic, engagement, and subscriber interaction. When you are in the statistics section, look for the tab that specifically deals with subscribers. Click on the Subscribers tab to open the interface that is dedicated to managing subscriber information. Once you have successfully clicked on the Subscribers tab, you will see an option to import your existing subscribers. This option is clearly labeled as an import function for existing subscribers. Selecting this option will provide you with an interface where you can add subscriber information more directly. In this process, you will then see a section that enables you to add subscribers manually. Within this manual addition section, you will notice a field where you can type in an email address. This field allows you to add a single subscriber by entering their email address accurately. After you have typed in the subscriber's email address, double check to ensure that it is correct. Accuracy is crucial to avoid errors in communication later on. Once you have verified that the email address is correct, the final step is to click on the button that adds the subscriber. This action saves the new subscriber information to your WordPress site and completes the import process. After clicking the Add Subscriber button, you may see a confirmation or updated list showing that the addition was successful. Following these steps enables you to easily import your existing subscriber into WordPress without hassle. The entire process is designed to be straightforward, from logging in with your Google account to navigating through your statistics and finally manually adding a subscriber. This method is ideal when transitioning your subscriber list over or when you need to add subscribers one by one. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of managing your subscribers directly from WordPress.